Hi everyone, I am Gitanjali Padhi and today we are going to solve a database question of Environmental Sciences and Societies of IBDP curriculum. This is from the chapter Energy and Biomass Ecosystem, page 151. Okay. So quickly we'll move to the database question here. So you see the question, just a second. So you see the question talks about the table 7 refers to carbon flows in freshwater system in 40-degree northern latitude. So here we have to find, the first question is find the net productivity of phytoplankton. So A part, net productivity, we already know net productivity is gross productivity minus the respiratory loss, right? So what is the net productivity of phytoplankton? Gross productivity is 132 minus net respiratory loss is 35 grams of carbon per square meter per year, so which will come around 97 grams per square meter per year. So that is your first question. Let's quickly go to the second question. The second question is, what is the gross productivity of zooplankton? So gross productivity is technically how much of the carbon the zooplankton has actually got after ingesting the food. So if you see here, the zooplanktons, out of 35 they've got 31, right? So the gross productivity of zooplankton is 31 grams of carbon per meter square per year. That's the B part. Let's quickly go to the C part. So the C part talks here about what is the net productivity of zooplankton. We already know net productivity is gross productivity minus the respiratory loss, right? So for zooplankton, the gross productivity is 31 minus 12 grams of carbon per meter square per year, so 19 grams of carbon per meter square per year. So that is your part C. Let's now come to the percentage one, that is your part D, percentage assimilation. Now assimilation is once the food is digested into simpler compound, we use the food to get energy. That is called as assimilation. Okay, so if you see here, percentage assimilation of zooplankton have actually got 31 grams and the fecal loss is 6 grams, right? So the fecal loss is 6 grams. So here the percentage assimilation, we'll calculate it as 31 minus 6 by total amount of food that was taken. Why we are deducting 6? Because it's the loss, that whatever the food was taken, the 6 grams of carbon per meter square per year was actually the loss, which is not part of the ingested food and which is now lost from the body. So 31 minus 6 by 31 into 100 will give you the percentage, which comes around 25 by 31 into 100, which is approximately 80.65 percentage. Okay, let's go to the E part. Here you have to find the percentage productivity of zooplankton. Now to find the percentage productivity of zooplankton, we know that the net productivity of zooplankton, already we have done it here, which is 19 upon the total amount of carbon that the zooplanktons got from the phytoplankton into 100, which comes around, this will come around approximately 61%. Thank you. I hope you understood the database question. If you have any doubt, please let me know. If you want me to teach any topic, please let me know. Thank you. Signing off, Gitanjali.